Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Welcome to a transformative journey where the power of your words shapes the very fabric of your reality. Get ready to harness the might of I Speak affirmations that will ignite your inner strength, supercharge your intentions, and pave the way for an extraordinary life. Through the art of affirmations, your voice becomes a beacon of positive change, ushering in love, abundance, success, and prosperity. Each word you speak acts as a brushstroke, painting the canvas of your future with vibrant and empowering beliefs. Join us as we embark on this empowering expedition, where your words become the architects of your destiny. Let's unlock the unlimited potential within you through the profound impact of I Speak affirmations. Take a deep breath and let's begin. I speak my truth with love and kindness. I speak words of abundance into my life. I speak my intentions for success and prosperity. I speak loving affirmations to manifest my desires. I speak gratitude for the love in my life. I speak positive thoughts to attract love. I speak my worthiness of abundance. I speak confidence in my path to success. I speak affirmations of prosperity. I speak words of self-love and acceptance. I speak my dreams into reality. I speak words that inspire and uplift. I speak of the love that fills my heart. I speak my openness to receiving abundance. I speak my dedication to success. I speak affirmations of financial abundance. I speak my commitment to self-care and self-love. I speak my belief in the abundance of the universe. I speak my alignment with success. I speak love into every interaction. I speak my worthiness of all the good in my life. I speak words of positivity and optimism. I speak my attraction to love and abundance. I speak my trust in the flow of life. I speak my vision of a loving and abundant future. I speak affirmations of love and support. I speak my connection to the abundance of the universe. I speak my intentions for financial success. I speak words of gratitude for love. I speak my openness to receiving all that I desire. I speak my love for myself and others. I speak my determination to achieve success. I speak affirmations of prosperity and wealth. I speak my acceptance of love in all its forms. I speak my deserving nature of abundance. I speak words of encouragement to others. I speak my gratitude for the love in my life. I speak my attraction to success. I speak my connection to the flow of abundance. I speak my belief in my own potential. I speak love into challenging situations. I speak my worthiness of all the blessings in life. I speak affirmations of gratitude. I speak my trust in the universe's abundance. I speak my intention to manifest financial success. I speak words of self-love and self-acceptance. I speak my commitment to a prosperous future. I speak my openness to receiving love. I speak my dedication to success and achievement. I speak affirmations of abundance and prosperity. I speak my connection to the love that surrounds me. I speak my vision of a life filled with love and abundance. I speak my belief in the limitless possibilities of the universe. I speak my worthiness of all the good things in life. I speak words of encouragement and motivation. I speak my acceptance of love and support. I speak my gratitude for the love that graces my life. I speak my attraction to abundance. I speak my trust in the journey of success. I speak my intention to manifest financial abundance. I speak words of kindness and compassion. I speak my openness to receiving all that the universe offers. I speak my commitment to love in all its forms. I speak my determination to achieve success and prosperity. I speak affirmations of self-worth. I speak my connection to the energy of love. I speak my vision of a life filled with love and success. I speak my belief in my ability to attract abundance. I speak my worthiness of all the love and abundance that comes my way. I speak words of empowerment and inspiration. I speak my acceptance of the love that flows into my life. I speak my gratitude for the abundance that surrounds me. I speak my attraction to success and achievement. I speak my trust in the path of prosperity. I speak affirmations of self-confidence. I speak my openness to receiving love and support. I speak my commitment to a life filled with love. I speak my determination to achieve my goals. I speak words of self-belief and self-empowerment. I speak my connection to the universal flow of abundance. I speak my vision of a future abundant with love. I speak my worthiness of all the love, success, and prosperity in my life. I speak my acceptance of the opportunities that come my way. I speak my gratitude for the love that fills my heart. I speak my attraction to the abundance of the universe. I speak my trust in the journey of success and achievement. I speak affirmations of self-empowerment. I speak my openness to receiving all the blessings of life. I speak my commitment to self-love and self-care. I speak my determination to manifest financial prosperity. I speak words of kindness and understanding. I speak my connection to the love that surrounds me. I speak my vision of a life filled with love, abundance, and success. I speak my belief in the boundless possibilities of the universe. I speak my worthiness of all the love and abundance that flows to me. I speak my acceptance of the love that graces my life. I speak my gratitude for the abundance that fills my days. I speak my attraction to prosperity and wealth. I speak my trust in the flow of love and abundance. I speak affirmations of love, abundance, success, and prosperity. I speak my financial goals into existence. I speak my unwavering belief in my ability to attract abundance. I speak my commitment to the path of financial success. I speak my openness to receiving money with gratitude. I speak my alignment with the flow of wealth. I speak my confidence in my financial abilities. I speak my dedication to achieving financial abundance. I speak my belief in my financial potential. I speak my attraction to financial opportunities. I speak my trust in the abundance of the universe. I speak my worthiness of financial prosperity. I speak my acceptance of money with gratitude. I speak my gratitude for the abundance that money brings. I speak my vision of a life filled with financial success. I speak my belief in my capacity to create wealth. I speak my connection to the energy of financial abundance. I speak my commitment to wise financial decisions. I speak my intention to manifest financial prosperity. I speak my worthiness of all the money that comes my way. I speak my trust in the financial journey. I speak my acceptance of financial blessings. I speak my gratitude for the money that flows into my life. I speak my attraction to financial opportunities. I speak my vision of a prosperous and financially abundant future. I speak my belief in my capacity to attract money. I speak my connection to the universal flow of wealth. I speak my commitment to creating financial security. I speak my intention to achieve financial success. I speak my worthiness of all the financial abundance that comes my way. I speak my trust in the financial prosperity that is meant for me. I speak effortlessly attracting wealth into my life. I speak abundant opportunities manifesting for me. I speak affirmations that align me with financial abundance. I speak my belief in my ability to generate wealth. I speak positive thoughts that attract prosperity effortlessly. I speak abundance into every area of my life. I speak my intentions for financial success with confidence. I speak my mind into a wealth-attracting powerhouse. I speak wealth and prosperity into existence. I speak affirmations that resonate with abundance. I speak confidently about my ability to handle wealth responsibly. I speak the language of abundance and financial freedom. I speak my desires for financial security and abundance. I speak affirmations that attract an overflow of wealth. I speak my intention to create multiple streams of wealth. I speak my belief in limitless abundance in all forms. I speak my subconscious mind into alignment with wealth. I speak affirmations that magnetize money and success. I speak my power to create financial abundance. I speak wealth-building thoughts that lead to success. I speak my intentions for a life filled with financial abundance. I speak confidently about my financial prosperity. I speak affirmations that attract wealth effortlessly. I speak my intentions to grow and expand my wealth. I speak my worthiness of abundant wealth and riches. I speak abundance into the core of my being. I speak affirmations that vibrate with financial freedom. I speak my thoughts into a rich and prosperous reality. I speak wealth-generating ideas that manifest into reality. I speak my subconscious mind into alignment with wealth and abundance. I speak affirmations that create a magnetic field for money. I speak my intentions to attract wealth and financial success. I speak my financial aspirations with confidence and clarity. I speak abundance into every aspect of my life. I speak affirmations that resonate with financial abundance. I speak my deserving nature of financial wealth. I speak my intentions to live a life of abundance and prosperity. I speak wealth-building strategies that lead to success. I speak affirmations that program my mind for wealth. I speak my intentions to attract wealth effortlessly. I speak my beliefs that align with financial abundance. I speak affirmations that attract wealth and abundance. I speak my worthiness of a prosperous and abundant life. I speak wealth and abundance into my present reality. I speak my intentions to effortlessly attract money and success. I speak affirmations that empower my wealth consciousness. I speak my power to create and sustain wealth. I speak wealth and abundance into the universe with gratitude. I speak my desires for a life filled with financial freedom. I speak affirmations that align me with limitless abundance. I speak my truth with love and kindness. I speak words of abundance into my life. I speak my intentions for success and prosperity. I speak loving affirmations to manifest my desires. I speak my worthiness of abundance. I speak confidence in my path to success. I speak my dreams into reality. I speak my dedication to success. I speak affirmations of financial abundance. I speak my commitment to self-care and self-love. I speak my belief in the abundance of the universe. I speak my alignment with success. May these affirmations resonate deeply within you and align your mindset with the wealth, money, and abundance you seek. As our I Speak affirmation meditation draws to a close, may you carry the resonance of these empowering words with you as you continue your journey. Remember, your voice holds tremendous power to shape your reality. Through these affirmations, you've laid the foundation for love, abundance, success, and prosperity in your life. As you move forward, let your words continue to be a source of strength, positivity, and manifestation. Embrace the unwavering belief that your intentions, spoken with love and conviction, have the ability to create the life you desire. Know that each time you speak your affirmations, you're setting forth ripples of transformation that echo through your days. Thank you for joining us on this empowering meditation journey. Carry the resonance of your affirmations into your world, and may your path be illuminated with the abundance and success you so richly deserve. Shine bright, and may your every word be a testament to your incredible potential. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.